Figure out what the heck's going wrong with this silly HUD in flight, that I lose it and I can't relight it. And I'm suspicious that I have a radio frequency problem in the plane. No surprise there, I've had all kinds of electrical noise problems. So, I got the HUD running, and the issue's going to be, you know, it has not dropped out, whereas I'm having trouble in the plane right after takeoff. Runs for about a minute or two, and then it drops the connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power it down and power it up and see how much work we got to do to get it to relight. Except I got traffic. So we're going to have to do this live. This is an old cranky Santa Fe, so pay it no mind if the engine blows up. Just the way it is. So here we are going southbound on I-17. HUD's working fine. And now we're going to try to do the interface. I got to put this headband on. Alright, we're going to take the power off. Let it sit for a minute. Really in the boys in the back seat there. Alright, I'm going to power it back on. Blazes out there with the windows rolled up, and no air conditioning on this old geezer. Alright, so what we initially have is two X's on the interface. If I can get it where this shows up. And so the first thing it's got to do is it's got to see that Stratus. Alright, did its initialization. Done its password thing. It looks like it's trying to read the Stratus. We got 3 dots on the right. Alright, sees the Stratus. Now the real issue is getting it to see the iPad. Alright, so the Wi-Fi is on Stratus, like it's supposed to be. I'm going to bring up screen mirroring. It sees the interface, but it already sees it's connected. That's the problem. And you know, it's raining out there. Oh, you got a little rain. Oh, okay. So it sees the screen mirroring, but nothing's happening. So that's not a good sign. So I'm going to tap it again. Aha, and it did. Alright, so I brought it up. I'm going to stop mirroring. I'm going to go back to the app. And we're back up and running. So this looks like we've got a some kind of an RF interference in the plane. I'm not having any trouble in the car. And I was able to bring it up while we're running, so to speak. So I would say we got an interference problem in the plane, and no surprise there, because I've had this HUD, the power cable, for example. Seems like power cables tend to produce some interference with the radio. So looks like we got some playing around to do. But so far, hey, I got a heck of a speedometer. I'm doing 65, 67 knots. 68 actually. I'm doing traffic, so everybody else is speeding too, because 68